ahead how to increase your visibility. Now you need to take efforts to increase the visibility, improving your online visibility. So we are going to learn to do search engine optimization, how we can utilize search engine optimization tools, SEO tools. We are going to learn in further. Interaction with followers on social media, how we can do interaction, what are the strategies which we need on social media, which we should implement. Setting up analytical tools in Google, why we should actually set up the analytics, how we will understand how many visitors are there on my website, how I will come to know which visitor has spent how much time on my website. If I will not able to understand this, then I will not be able to generate the results. Publish fresh, relevant content on regular basis. And this is, as I told you, digital marketing is a continuous process. One time you take the effort and forget, this strategy is not going to work for you. And therefore, on continuous basis, you need to capture users by publishing fresh, relevant content. And here is the need of digital marketers. Can you understand that for each and every small business also they need digital marketer, they need digital strategy. So how many number of opportunities are there in this digital market for you people who know digital marketing? So that is the need. So there is a huge requirement in coming days, and therefore you people all must understand this. Otherwise, because competition is increasing, competition and getting sales, proving yourself is too complex process, and therefore you must deep dive into digital marketing. Make researching competitors a part of your content strategy. So do the competitor research, what they are doing, how you are different. Just make the content strategy and let that content reach to people, how you can improve the online visibility, and create some kind of engagement content which will help to develop a better buyer relationship between visitors and find value in visiting your website. He should feel next time also, always there are new content, I should go and actually I get something to learn. Let's visit that website again. So like that you can retain your website visitors also by creating engaging content. So, and you will maintain your buyers relationship for a longer run, so that sale will keep on happening. You will get sales all the time if you are on the toes to provide this kind of services. Is that clear to all of you? Some now technical, I'm going into some technical aspects. Now technical aspects, which are the technical aspects? Again, I told you that this we will cover in our next sessions. SEO, search engine optimization. In search engine optimization, first technical important aspect is keyword research. You must become master in keyword research. You must understand which keyword that customer will type. Utilizing SEO tool, how to utilize SEO tools, and therefore how to do the SEO for the website. Long tail keywords and short tail keywords, whether to use longer keywords or short tail keywords. And again, there are different languages also. There also you can make use of language SEO also. So deep we are actually diving into this digital marketing. Create a Google account so you can start monitoring analytics. Google Analytics is must. There it will give us insight. How many customer visited, how much time they spend, what is their behavior. All the feedback you will get from this analytics, including how your users are interacting with your website. So search, SEO, short tail keyword, long tail keyword, all these are the important technical aspects. Now the next technical aspect is, whatever are the keywords we need to include in header section inside our website. So this tech details you will understand only when we will start with the SEO. Online visibility keeps on changing. It is not static. Suppose one day you did the visibility and next day if you are not taking any action, it will not remain as it is. It will not remain as it is. And therefore it is not static, it is dynamic, and you must keep on changing your strategy. Keep your content updated. Stale content can lead to reduction in relevant visibility. If your contents are not useful, people will not visit your website at all. So you need to keep this in mind. It's not so very easy. So note, search engine now look for the websites that have meaningful. Google like that, Google will not list your website. You must have meaningful content. You must have useful content. Your product must be useful to the end customer. If you are falsing the audience, then it will never showcase your website. So Google also monitors your things, what you are doing, your services, and then only it optimizes onto the search engine. So this is very, very important aspect. Meaningful information on them are weeding out the website that's the keywords to get more clicks. Engaging content will help develop a better buyer relationship because visitors will find value in visiting your website. Only one concept: adding value, adding value, adding value. That is very important. So channelizing target audience, choosing the right marketing platform for your product and service, location targeting, setting up budget, retargeting, user engagement. These are the important aspect of social media marketing and search engine marketing. And one by one, we are going to cover in our next session.